Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. A set of brand new floor mats, all season and regular. Fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in. Go ahead and start it up. We've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Our media display. A rear view backup camera. Hard keys for our media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. This GLA has very low mileage. 3,813 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.